Students, today I am going to discuss one of the important named reaction, that is benzoin condensation. Certain aromatic aldehydes or glyoxyls, that is alpha ketoaldehydes, upon heating with catalysts like sodium cyanide or potassium cyanide or thiazolium salt or NHC, N-heterocyclic carbene, produces benzoins. So benzoin is also called or also known as alpha hydroxyketones or acetyliones. This reaction of aromatic aldehyde or glyoxyl with these catalyst is known as benzoin condensation, and this is the reaction scheme how aromatic aldehyde upon heating with certain catalyst like sodium cyanide, potassium cyanide or thiazolium salt or NHC will produce benzoin, that is alpha hydroxyketone or acetyliones. So if we see the mechanism, so I am going to discuss two mechanism, that is one mechanism is cyanide ion catalyzed benzoin condensation and other mechanism is thiazolium salt catalyzed benzoin condensation. So first I will discuss cyanide ion catalyzed benzoin condensation. In cyanide ion catalyzed benzoin condensation, the first step is attack of cyanide ion as nucleophile. So aldehyde group will be get attacked by the cyanide nucleophile and it is going to form this intermediate, and this intermediate will undergo abstraction of proton or there is transfer of proton takes place because of acidity of this proton will be enhanced by this electron withdrawing group like cyano group. So there is increase in the acidity, so this proton will be get abstracted and it is going to form a stable carbanion ion, and this carbanion ion intermediate now it is going to add to another aldehyde molecule to form this anion intermediate. Okay. The alkoxy anion intermediate is going to transfer a proton and it is going to form this intermediate. This intermediate now lost cyanide ion because this cyanide ion acts as very good leaving group, and finally it leads to the formation of benzoin. The other mechanism, that is catalyzed by thiazolium salt, will also similar to cyanide ion, but here the catalyst will be thiazolium salt. So now we will see how this thiazolium salt will catalyze benzoin condensation. In this case, first step will be abstraction of proton from thiazolium salt. So this is thiazolium salt. If I add mild base, so it is going to abstract this proton and it is going to form this anion intermediate. So this anion intermediate attacks this anion intermediate now attacks aldehyde group and it is going to form this intermediate. Then there will be abstraction of proton by base. Since we are using mild base, so whatever the base present in the reaction medium, now it abstracts the proton, abstract this proton, and there will be shift of this anion, whatever the anion formed. So in this step it is different from the cyanide ion catalyzed mechanism. In the cyanide ion catalyzed mechanism, this proton will be shifted to oxygen atom, but here the external base will abstract the proton and whatever the anion, it will be somewhat stabilized and it is going to form this intermediate, and this intermediate is called Breslow intermediate. So this is known as Breslow intermediate. So this Breslow intermediates to another aldehyde molecule and it is going to form a vicinal diol like molecule. And finally, that vicinal diol molecule will undergo deprotonation followed by loss of thiazolium salt to form benzoin as a product. So here the base will abstract this proton, so that is deprotonation step, and simultaneously this whatever the bonded pair of electron will shift and it is going to lose thiazolium salt and finally it is going to form benzoin product. So this is regarding thiazolium salt catalyzed benzoin condensation. Recently there are reports regarding retrobenzoin condensation. So when this retrobenzoin condensation will take place is when alpha substituted benzoins treated with potassium cyanide in dimethyl formamide forms corresponding ketone, and this is known as retrobenzoin condensation. So here is the example. If you take alpha benzyl benzoin, if it is heated with potassium cyanide and DMF at 80 degrees centigrade, it is going to lose. There will be carbon-carbon bond cleavage and this bond will get cleaved and it is going to form corresponding benzaldehyde and deoxybenzoin, and this reaction is known as retrobenzoin condensation. Here in the retrobenzoin condensation there will be carbon-carbon bond cleavage occurs, and this retrobenzoin condensation finds wide application in the preparation of heteroarenes. That is, alpha hydroxybenzyl heteroarene undergo carbon-carbon cleavage by catalytic action of cyanide ion in DMF to form corresponding ketone and heteroarene. So this is the schematic representation. So here this alpha hydroxy benzyl heteroarene on treatment with KCN dimethyl formamide will form heteroarene and corresponding ketone. So this is regarding retrobenzoin condensation. Thank you.